Hey guys, I got something for you to clip. Tell you that. No, I can't jump. 2 seconds. Alright, you ready? So you know how beehives are rare? 1 beehive, 2 beehives, 3 beehives, promise I didn't place them, 4 beehives, 5 beehives, 6 beehives, 7 beehives, 8, 9, 10 beehives, 11, 12 beehives, 13, 14 beehives. Let's see if there's any more. So we found 14 beehives so far. 15, 16 beehives. I was literally just in a survival world and I came up to this mountain. So, sorry for the icky gameplay, but there were so many flowers, but that's 18. If I can zoom in right there. You see that one right there? And then right here you should be able to see some more 20, 21, 22. Then there's another one right here, so that's 23 beehives. It's gonna get night time soon, but yeah, guys, that's 23 beehives on 1 mountain. That's crazy. I might be able to find some more. Don't know though. 23 beehives on 1 mountain. That's crazy. 22 beehives. And they said that they were rare. I don't think so.